everyone! I am so thrilled that we have achieved our 1,000 doors, and I'm looking forward to reaching our main goal of 5,000 doors by 2030. Some of the key factors to our success include SJA investing in our sales and marketing team, our pros maintenance team, hiring and retaining a highly skillful employees, and maintaining our standards of quality of service, integrity, and community. As the office assistant here at SJA, I'm often the first line of contact between clients and team members. Communication is at the heart of what I do. My role is not just about organizing documents or answering phones. My job is about creating good impressions, reassuring clients that they are in capable hands. My reliability and attention to detail creates a positive work environment. It builds trust and helps support the overall success of our team. Throughout my journey here at SJA, I have maintained a positive and open mindset, always ready to take on new roles and responsibilities. Our community here at SJA fosters a very meaningful and supportive workplace, and I'm proud to be part of the SJA team.